Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the perfect 2024 recap Instagram reel. So on Instagram, if you want to sum up your memories in 2024, you can easily create an Instagram reels using the template. So here I'm going to show you how you can do that. First, you need to open the Instagram application. And now start opening the Instagram camera by clicking on this plus icon to start creating. Don't forget to change the tab into reel. Okay, so now you can just click on the templates at the top. And in here, if you scroll down, you'll see the trending section. And since now is already in December, on the trending, you'll see lots of 2024 recap templates, reels that you can use for your Instagram reels recap. For example, there is this goodbye 2024. There are also this moving on to 2025 with. Okay, you can see there are lots of templates that you can use. For example, I'm going to use this one from Anaxi Creative. Click on the templates that you want to use, and in here you'll see how many medias that you need to add into the template. You can tap on add media to start creating. Now I'm going to just use photos. You can also use videos, but I'm going to just use photos. Click or find the videos or photos that you want to add. I need 29. Okay, so I'm going to add 29 photo into the template. So the how much medias that you need to add is depend on the template itself. So it might be varies 24, 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay, after you are done selecting the medias, you can tap on next, and after you click on next, there will be the preview of how your reels will look like using the template. You can see replace the clips with your own. If you're satisfied with the result, you can tap on next, and you can also edit it again. You can add text, stickers, add music, or add subtitles in here, but I'm not going to, so let's just click on next again. Now just write the caption, and also don't forget to add related hashtags such as new year or 2024 or 2025 to have more viewers on it. And you can just tap on share to share your recap to your followers and public. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.